And now some more breaking news, viewers. The Supreme Court has refused to entertain a public interest litigation petition filed in respect of the Indigo flight crisis. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India Surya Kant, Justice Joy Malabagchi and Justice Vipul Pancholi gave liberty to the petitioner to join the proceedings in the Delhi High Court. The bench requested the Delhi High Court to permit the petitioner to intervene in the ongoing proceedings. CJI Surya Kant told the petitioner, Narendra Mishra, that instead of two parallel proceedings, they may go to the High Court. If the High Court doesn't address their grievance, they can come to the Supreme Court. The plea has been filed seeking a court-monitored probe into the Indigo flight cancellation crisis. I have Sambhav Sharma joining me with more details. Sambhav, over to you.
Well, the matter was before the three-judge bench of the Supreme Court headed by the Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, and two other judges. The three-judge bench has said the petitioner Advocate Narendra Mishra to approach the Delhi High Court, as the Delhi High Court is already hearing another similar petition. And here, if we talk about this particular petition filed by Advocate Narendra Mishra, he was the first petitioner who approached the top court with this petition. Earlier, it was not listed, but today it was listed, and the three-judge bench of Justice Surya Kant, Justice Jamal Bakshi and Justice Vipul Pancholi, three-judge bench of the Supreme Court has asked petitioner Advocate Narendra Mishra to approach the Delhi High Court. If we talk about what happened in the Delhi High Court earlier, Delhi High Court earlier questioned center when the matter came before the High Court, and the High Court questioned, rather grilled center on certain aspect as to why this particular crisis happened at the first place and what was the authorities doing, what was DGCA, Director General of Civil Aviation, and other authorities were doing. On the other hand, the center, through ASG Additional Solicitor General Chetan Sharma, has informed the Delhi High Court that they are doing whatever best could be done, and the crisis will be, they will set up some committee to probe this particular case and resolve the situation as soon as possible. So these were the remarks by the center in the Delhi High Court, and the Delhi High Court in a way said that as to such similar situation must not happen next time, is what Delhi High Court said last week. This week, the matter came before the three-judge bench of the Supreme Court, where Supreme Court has asked the petitioner to again approach the Delhi High Court. If we talk about who all appeared in this particular case, so for Indigo, Senior Advocate Mukul Rohtgi appeared in the Supreme Court and said that the Delhi High Court is already seized of the matter, and the Delhi High Court is hearing this particular case, and hence the Supreme Court has said Advocate Narendra Mishra to his petition that if your grievance will not be addressed even after Delhi High Court's hearing, then you can approach the top court, the Supreme Court. But for now, you approach the Delhi High Court and seek remedies, whatever you asked in this particular petition. If we talk about this particular petition, this was the first petition by Advocate Narendra Mishra seeking a court-monitored probe into this whole Indigo crisis matter, and later on another petition was filed in the Delhi High Court, where the Delhi High Court gave certain directions, questioned the center on certain aspects, and also in a way asked the petitioner, the Delhi High Court asked the petitioner to read more, because as per Delhi High Court said that center is already doing, center is already aware of the matter and took the cognizance. And when the matter first came to the Supreme Court before the Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, CJI also said that the center has taken the cognizance of the matter and government is doing whatever, in a way needs to be done. Now it is to be seen what happens next in the Delhi High Court when this Indigo crisis matter reaches Delhi High Court again. On the next date of hearing, what the center, what the Additional Solicitor General, what Indigo will have to say in the Delhi High Court.
All right, Sambhav, thanks for joining me. And with that, I'm slipping into a short commercial break. I'll see you on the other side.